Hey guys, today I'm going to share one of the famous tea recipe of India. In India, we usually have this tea during monsoon or winter season. This tea is given to the person who is suffering from cold or cough. To make this tea, you have to take 2 cloves, 2 black pepper, 1 star anise, half an inch of cinnamon stick and 1 coin of ginger. Pound them well and add to the boiling water. For better results, you can add on tulsi leaves as well. 2 to 3 tulsi leaves you can add. And I'm making this tea for 2 person. So wait for 2 to 3 minutes and add milk. If you are adding coconut milk, then first add tea to the water, then switch off the flame and then add the coconut milk. Else you can add the milk and then add the tea and strain it and have it. That's it. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment on this video.